Hello everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to deposit money into Fidelity from bank. I will guide you through the process step by step. Now we will need to start by logging into our Fidelity account, either through the app or website. So make sure you have your account credentials ready. Now once logged in, navigate to the transfer funds option in your account settings. This is where you can link your bank account and deposit money. Now, if you haven't linked your bank account yet, you will need to do this first. Select Add Bank Account and enter your bank's routing and account numbers. Follow the prompts to verify the account and double check all your details to make sure everything is correct. After that, hit confirm. Now your deposit will usually take about 1 to 2 business days to process. And that is how you deposit money into your Fidelity account from a bank. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.